Asterisk enter the lucrative world of reselling web hosting. Start your web hosting business today. Asterisk. In the ever-expanding digital ecosystem, the demand for web hosting services continues to soar as businesses of all sizes seek reliable platforms to establish their online presence. For aspiring entrepreneurs, reselling web hosting presents a lucrative opportunity to tap into this burgeoning market and build a successful business from the ground up. If you are ready to embark on your journey as a web hosting provider, read on to discover how you can start your web hosting business today. Understanding reseller web hosting. Reseller web hosting allows individuals or businesses to purchase hosting services from a parent hosting company and resell them to their own clients. This model eliminates the need for extensive infrastructure investment and technical expertise, making it an accessible option for entrepreneurs looking to enter the hosting industry. Why resell web hosting? 1. Low barrier to entry. Unlike traditional web hosting, which requires substantial upfront investment in servers and infrastructure, reseller hosting allows you to start with minimal capital expenditure. With a reliable parent hosting provider handling the backend infrastructure, you can focus on building and growing your business. 2. Scalability. As your business grows, reseller hosting offers the flexibility to scale your operation seamlessly. Whether you're serving a handful of clients or managing a large portfolio of websites, you can easily upgrade your hosting plans to accommodate increasing demand. 3. White label solutions. Many reseller hosting providers offer white label solutions, allowing you to brand the hosting services as your own. This enables you to establish a professional image and build brand credibility without the need for extensive infrastructure or technical expertise. 4. Additional revenue stream. Reselling web hosting provides a recurring revenue stream, offering long-term stability and profitability for your business. With predictable monthly income from hosting subscriptions, you can reinvest in your business, expand your service offerings, and pursue growth opportunities. Getting started with your web hosting business. 1. Choose a reliable parent hosting provider. Selecting the right parent hosting provider is crucial to the success of your reseller hosting business. Look for a provider with a proven track record of reliability, performance, and customer support. Evaluate factors such as uptime guarantees, server infrastructure, and scalability to ensure a seamless experience for your clients. 2. Define your target market. Identify your target market and tailor your hosting packages to meet their specific needs. Whether you're targeting small businesses, e-commerce stores, or bloggers, understand their requirements and offer value-added services such as website builders, SSL certificates, and domain registration. 3. Set competitive pricing. Determine competitive pricing for your hosting packages based on market research and industry benchmarks. Consider factors such as features, resources, and support offerings when pricing your plans to attract customers while ensuring profitability for your business. 4. Market your services. Leverage digital marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, and content marketing to promote your web hosting services. Highlight the benefits of choosing your hosting company, such as reliable performance, 24/7 support, and value-added features. Offer incentives such as discounts, free migrations, or additional services to attract new clients. Contact us today for your free consultation. Ready to embark on your journey as a web hosting entrepreneur? Contact us today at +91 9864 170343 and 9,864,855,058 for free consultation and discover how you can start your web hosting business with confidence. Our team of experts is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right hosting provider to marketing your services and growing your business. Don't miss out on this opportunity to carve your niche in the thriving web hosting industry. इंट्रोडक्शन इंडिया हिंदी। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में। मैं हूं दुर्लभ साकिया और मैं एक 7 साल के अनुभव से भरपूर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विशेषज्ञ हूं। इट कंपनियों में काम करने का भी अनुभव रखता हूं और यहां हूं ताकि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में लेटेस्ट टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और समाचार मिल सकें। ग्लोब English ***. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Digital Marketing Ki Duniya. I am Durlab Sakia, a seasoned digital marketing professional with 7 years of experience. Bringing insights from my experience in IT companies, I am here to share the latest tips, tricks, and news from the world of digital marketing with you.
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरे YouTube वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत मेहनत की है। मैं चाहता था कि यह एक ऐसा वीडियो हो जो लोगों को कुछ नया सिखाए और उन्हें कुछ रोमांचक सिखाए। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने ऐसा कर पाया। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए बहुत आभारी हूं। धन्यवाद।